Dzień dobry, kocham cię.
It's raining here in Poznań today, so we are sitting in the restaurant, our favorite restaurant for breakfast because there is nice promo and good quality, you know. If you know, you know. But it's raining, but now we have a nice view of the lake and the road actually. Also nice, and waiting for the breakfast what will arrive. Maybe I will film Winnie now. Give me the camera, I will show you. Now I gonna go do the like quick shot, like around camera. Oop, very quick. Let's go. Saya. Dzień dobry.
Okay, so because today is Sunday and yesterday we were busy, I was busy, so yesterday we didn't make any video. And today it's Damian day off. I asked Damian, you have to take a day off. So today is our plan, Sunday brunch in our favorite place, 63. It's about 200,000 rupiah right now.
Great, yeah.
Yeah, and let's see what we order today. But look at down there, nice pizza. And in the morning already busy.
Oh, that's a traditional tram going there. Sometimes during the summer they have an old bus, old tram as the tourist attraction.
And then with the lake view over there, it's beautiful.
Beautiful, like this one. Beautiful. Oh, that's the Red Bull car as well. A lot of it. You see, I'm filming, I'm spotting interesting stuff.
Smacznego, kochanie.
Dziękuję.
You are my main character today, okay? Because for one full week only people see my face.
Okay.
So what you have?
English breakfast, but it's actually pretty nice. We have the nice Frankfurter cabanos, bacon, tomato, eggs. This one, the green stuff, and the beans, and also the roll. Very hot actually. And this is only 25 zloty actually. And then is yours. What you have?
Okay, I have my chicken baguette. Look, so huge. Cappuccino and all with the beer like this cost us about 63 zloty, something like that.
64.
And this is the menu. It's very nice price, right, Pahanye? And the portion, it's huge. Smacznego, Pahanye. You don't drink cola anymore?
Yeah, that's the thing. When I come back to Poland, I just realized there is so many beers like this one. It's just like a zero alcohol beer, which is like a most likely fruit drink with flavor of beer. Kinda like a radler. You can have also orange and it tastes like or lemon like a radler. But many of them they have like a flavor like pomegranate with raspberry, which is like really nice. And then just simply dzień dobry. Jasne, proszę, śmiało.
Dziękujemy.
I got distracted by the waiter just came when I talked. What I was talking about actually, sir? Can you remind me?
Oh, that's the so many flavors.
So many flavors. And the funny thing is the small can of Coke right now in the supermarket costs you around 4 zł per can, while the half liter of the non-alcoholic beer costs you around 3 zł. It's bigger and cheaper. Will have a less sugar because I read actually on the other side how much sugar it is. It's less sugar than in Coca-Cola. It's more natural ingredients. So basically, it's simply more healthier to drink non-alcoholic fruit beer than Coke, and it's cheaper at the same time. It's so funny actually. But the trends really changed in Poland. When I was still in Bali, there was some thing regarding the sugar in Poland. That's the political thing. We not talk about the politics, but there was something that the sugar tax for sugar or something is like a double or something, and that's why brands like Coca-Cola and Pepsi they lose really a lot of market in Poland. They don't really sell that much Coke like long time ago, and many people instead buying some sort of drinks like this one, especially as they are non-alcoholic. But nowadays is a lot of non-alcoholic drinks in Poland. Like even you can buy Corona Zero or something, whatever. So it's changed really a lot. For me, it's less sugar, so it's also good. Sometimes I still have a Coke, of course, but really not that much like in Bali or previous years.
You are not crazy of Coke again.
Like I don't feel it like I really want to have a Coke, because if I really want and I want to try every single beer what is available in Poland in the fruit flavor, I will buy 30 different brands and 30 different flavors. Every single day I try something new. So it's interesting. And I drink Coke all my life, so nothing really changed. And the Coke will still be here. We're not gonna remove it from the market anyways.
So we'll go down and look at this place. Like I told you, already busy. That's the pizza, and it's time to go home. Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Nice oven for pizzania.
Let's go. And they have also the promotion. Nice. And we used to sit over there.
But
Actually, it was rainy and cold. Let's go. So we decided to go to the Sunday market. It's so windy. Windy banget. And then because we came here about 12, more than 12 in the afternoon. So I think some of the shop already closed and some of the shop still open. Yeah. And then some of the fresh market.
It's that cold and windy as Winnie has to change the jacket. Winnie said, no, I don't want a jacket this morning. I said, are you sure? Better take a jacket. And now it's good as you took it, huh?
Yes. So this is actually changing the weather and changing the temperature. But it's cool. For me, it's so cool. You know?
Something different. Sometimes the weather also change. During the summer can be 16, 18 degree and windy. And can be tomorrow 30, 35. That's also changes like this one here.
Actually, we decided that to go to the Sunday market, but seems like there are not many shops open. Maybe because of the weather. It's raining before. So yeah, now we will go somewhere. And this is how the shopping center in Komurnike. Kochanie, idziemy? That's the thing. Only some shop are open. It was in a Sunday market, right, kochanie? So now we decided to go somewhere out of the Poznan city. We will explore. What's the name?
We are going to Szamotuły.
What is it?
Szamotuły is like a town, little town, about 20,000 people living there, around 45 kilometers out, up north from Poznań. Never been there. I mean, I've been there once, but I never explored, so why not? Maybe gonna have some ice cream there. And then we will see where we're gonna go after that. It's just, Sunday, so little stroll around.
Yes, I'll show you the road also to go to that place.
Yeah. So we are going to Szamotuły. Actually, I forgot there is the nice road through the woods. It's something nice, actually, something different. Not sure if you can get to Szamotuły probably by train, but I'm not sure actually, or some bus. But definitely by car is the most enjoyable and the quickest way. And we will see. We are just outside of Poznań, about 20 kilometers to Szamotuły.
Oh, look at that, kochanie. Like in the movie, you know?
Like a country road, Alabama a little bit. But seriously, like with this landscape, it's like Alabama in States or some sort of thing.
Nice.
I told you it will be nice countryside road for 20 kilometers now.
And then look at this
It's
house.
after harvest actually already.
Yes.
We skipped the harvest now.
Yes.
But the corn is still here.
Yes. It's nice.
We're going through the nice woods now actually. And I remember when I was going here last time about 2 months ago, around midnight, I remember it was scary because there was so many deers actually everywhere around, and one of them, they were on the middle of the road, especially when I was going back at 1 a.m. So yeah, no moose here or no birds, but the deers a lot. There are actually some are nearby the Poznań sometime, but it's nice actually, piece of the green stuff.
So nice, you see.
And the thing is, this is really enjoyable traffic for Sunday ride, You can really chill out, just going somewhere. Not like in Bali, huh?
Yeah, it's so cool, peaceful.
Right.
Oh, look at this on the right.
Look like a rice field after harvest.
Ah, look!
Sunflower.
Sunflowers. Nice.
this ugly building over there? These ugly buildings, they are old buildings for the PGR workers. That's the old commie part of Poland, what so many people still thinking as is it all like this now, but everything has changed. PGR is Państwowe Gospodarstwo Rolne, that was the commie idea, as government owned all the land and they hired the workers to work on the farm. And that was collapsed in 89 and the blocks left. They were living there, but now the private people sometimes living there, but some of them they demolishing, some of them they keeping out. But that was the commie idea. But this past, everything is 30 years ago already, 35 years ago. So Poland has changed and half the Europe already has changed. Also France, perhaps in 1970s or 80s it was beautiful, now it's piece of crap. So, you know, you have to just understand as Europe is changing, is developing in many ways. Some places are getting better, some places getting worse. That's it.
Honey, what is this?
I don't know, there's some agri-plus, some production of maybe wheat or something. I don't know what they are doing, but this is the industrial side of Szamotuły city.
Oh, yes.
Going to the old market square in Szamotuły is nice actually, but this is industry. You see the containers from something? Ooh, actually so big area of containers.
So this one is the industrial part of the Poznan, right?
It's actually outside of the Poznań.
Outside of the Poznan.
Yeah, something like that.
Look. Wow.
Yeah, this is for the wheat, I think, the storage of the wheat. But I may be wrong. Maybe if you are from the Szamotuły, you can let me know. But something like that. But this is industrial zone, yeah?
Yeah. It's totally different.
Oh yeah, because this will be the railway crossing actually.
Yeah.
Also.
It's nice. Ooh. Look at this lorry.
Yeah, they are warehouses.
Oh, you see on the left, on the right side, so many things here. On the right also.
Yeah, you cannot see much because it's the wall.
Yeah.
But we're gonna cross the railway now, so we can have a look.
Yeah, you see this one? So many marks, something.
Yeah.
Oh, you look on the right side.
Yeah, that's the already Szamotuły center. There's some historical things in Szamotuły. I didn't read about the history, but there was some sort of like because they have a wooden statues like this one, you know, like a park. We'll have to read a bit. It's small town. It's a little bit like Iława in North Poland, where I'm coming from. Somehow, just no lake here.
And on the left is church. Oh, look at the bell even.
Yeah, it's pretty old town, little town. Actually, we are arriving to the area of the old market square. Old town technically. Right here after crossing Little River, you can see the cobblestone road and the architecture like this one. So we are in Szamotuły center. Actually, you asked me about Żabka. There is Żabka in Szamotuły. Żabka is everywhere. Actually, nice building at the front. And there are some bars even here. Maybe we can have a coffee somewhere.
Look at this.
Actually nice, and from 1905, so it's 120 years old building.
Oh, look, there is fountain.
Yeah, nice.
Ah, nice statue. Let's have a coffee o'clock
Yeah,
somewhere.
we're gonna pull over somewhere, and maybe we're gonna have some coffee. Maybe something is open, and we're gonna stroll around the square here. Something different. Feels like a Iława.
Oh, that's Cukierna. Let's buy lodeh, kochani.
Oh, tak. Nice. We're gonna pull over somewhere here.
Nice.
So nice.
Poland is very big country.
Small city, but feels great. Another ice cream shop here.
Tak.
Something is going on.
1976. Oh, look at this house.
Even my bank here, Millennium, behind this bank. old school. Oh, the statue of some priest or somebody. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. Small streets. Maybe not that much going on like in Poznań, but generally nice, small and enjoyable. And we are just going basically pretty new the loop already. This is where is the fountain. Okay, we're gonna park somewhere and we're gonna walk a little bit. Nice, what do you think? Different, huh?
Yes. Totally different.
Different feel, different vibe.
Oh, honey, look where we are now.
In the city center of Szamotuły, small little town, little bit similar to Iława. I mean, it's totally different side of Poland, but feels the same like my hometown. And this is like a nice old Polish people, like they are dancing. That was the square, so the center of everything long time ago. And I just quickly read as the Szamotuły is famous for the Black Princess. Maybe she is the Black Princess, I don't know. Similar like in Kurnik, a White Widow or something. So yeah, this is it. Little town, but very nice. And actually they wearing all traditional outfit, but this is like a statue only. But nice. A little fountain. Very nice little town. Little bit cold, little bit not the best weather, but definitely something different and have their own vibe, right? And considering as this is 800 years old city, like most of the Polish cities, not bad, not bad.
Wow, and look at the building architectures. It's nice. This is European type.
Only 19,000 people living in the whole area actually. That's really small town.
Look at this building, the statue. And kochanie, look at this.
The old water pump for the public use, but it doesn't work now. But it's still here.
It's piece of history.
Piece of history.
Let's have something to drink.
Let's have a coffee sometime.
It's coffee o'clock. We go to one nice coffee shop. Nice. Nice. You want a pancake, kochanie?
Up to you.
It's coffee o'clock. It's raining outside. Kochanie, what you have? Coffee and
Brownie.
smacznego. Nice.
Nice. Wow.
Kochanie, why are we actually in Szamotuły?
Why not? No, but actually I remember when we had a company in Bali before pandemic, we had very nice customers who are actually coming from outside of Poznań, which was actually Szamotuły. And I also find out that they have a horse business here, a horses business in Szamotuły as well. And I hope as maybe we can visit them. But when we arrive here and I ring them, they said, "Oh, sorry, actually we are in Portugal right now," because they have also the second home in Portugal. And it's rainy, so I think they just fly out. Anyways, holiday season, but next time. But anyways, nice little town in Szamotuły, something different. And I think we're gonna go somewhere else now.
Let's go.
Let's-
Right, so I decided to go like tour by the car, basically, and
Nice,
show you around.
nice little town. Kamienica. Everything is here. Cobblestone. I think something is on the right here. Ooh,
Oh, nice church.
Nice.
So we come back again.
Dog.
Anya, is it a cat?
No, it's fox. Nice. I told you, Szamotuły. Look at the road. This is nice old road where the steel Germans planned the dam. I forgot what's the name of the street in English. Pardon me. Either way, and it's nice. And this everywhere is only like either cornfields or either the wheat fields. But the corn still exists right now, and the wheat is already after the harvest. So this is like a farm area, but it's very nice. A little bit like I said, country roads and stuff. Going to see one place now, and then we're gonna go to. I decided we're gonna go to Pniewy. Simply just because I never been there. Totally spontaneous. 70 kilometers or 60 kilometers from here. Just have a look. I don't know what is there. but it's like an
Let's
end
go.
city. Let's go. Oh, sunflower lamp.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, but the sunflower facing the other side, but there is sunflower. And it's raining a little bit, so sorry about that.
Nice weather. It's not that super hot.
It's fresh.
Kochani, where we are going?
We are actually in one village. That's my friend company also, except horses. They have a big scrapyard company. They collecting the scrap metal and they selling it for the other things. They have so many trucks and everything. Never been here, wanted to have a look, but actually it's also closed. But that looks nice, and they have some donations from European Union, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. They make it pretty big on the middle of the village side, actually.
Mm-hmm. So Richard own it?
Yeah, Richard owned it. Yeah.
Oh, but
I
he's in
remember
Portugal
because there was
now.
like one of our best clients in Bali, so have a sentimental memories. They were very nice, nice people, nice family in general. So got opportunity at least to have a look where they from. Oh, that's the Polish bird called bocian. 1 and 2. They are native Polish birds. They living half year in Poland. They always making their nest on the top of the lamps for some reason, if they have it, mostly in the old villages, because in the, ooh, look at this one. They have a red nose, white body and the black wings. And during the winter they go to Africa. You never saw the bocian, right? Okay,
Super cool.
It's raining and we are in the middle of the field with the sunflower. Ooh, so lovely. Saya. With the umbrella in the middle of the nowhere. But nice.
Sipko, I feel cold already.
Okay, let's go back to the car. It's big rainy, let's go. But I just want to show you the field of the sunflower is so big. And we just stop on the little bit on the middle. But it's it's cold. Let's go. Let's go. Szybko, let's go. Oh, okay.
Kochani,
Nice road, isn't it?
dark, green, no traffic jams. What is on the right side?
Forest.
Oh, nice.
I have no idea where we are. Somewhere in Wielkopolskie state, but have no idea. Somewhere in the middle of nowhere, but nice. Actually nice.
Oh, look at this. Nice.
They build a house in the middle of the wheat field.
Ah, that's the windmill.
Oh yeah, old
nice.
windmill. Still left sometime, especially in this side of Poland.
Cool.
So relaxing driving like this one, right?
Yeah.
Even you just drive through the countryside roads.
And green everywhere you go. Nice.
That's the whole thing.
Beautiful. Ooh, miasto Czarnków, kochani.
Yeah, I never been here. In this part of Poland, I never been. I don't know where I am. But I'm gonna
Blue
tell
sky
you.
now.
Blue sky, green, nice roads. Here is also green. Maybe there is no jungle, but it's green.
That's nice. You know, escaping from the hustle and bustle city life, going like this is so enjoyable.
Ah, actually very nice.
Kochani, slow down. Look at this. Wow, sunflower field.
Very nice.
Nice.
And the windmill in the background.
Nice. And look at the road everywhere green. It's nice. Amazingly nice. Wow, look at this. It's so nice. Really like a countryside roads, right?
Ah, totally different, isn't it?
Yeah, on the left, on the right side. You look so chill, Kanye.
Yeah, I always chill when I go somewhere. I don't know, I always go like that.
Nice. Wow. We just arrived in P1. First of all, what's Damian gonna buy? Ice cream. He is already craving for ice cream. Kochanie, chodź. This one. Nice. Oh, look at this. They have like a boat, river, and the park. Nice. Wow. This is nice park. And the river. Oh, we just arrived in Pniewy, right? Not people.
Sorry. Sayang, film like this one because the sun is facing. Oh,
Alright.
much better. So we arrived in Pniewy. Oh, I will be staying here. We arrived in Pniewy, which I never been in Pniewy. Pniewy is the smaller city, but in Wielkopolskie state still belongs to Poznań. Nice river, nice flower, nice weather because it was raining. Here is sunny. Nice ice cream. Same price but bigger portion, of course.
Let's go exploring.
Let's explore.
Eating ice cream, so good. It's very nice and sunny. We just finished our ice cream. Kochanie, how long it is from Poznań?
107 kilometers exactly.
100 kilometers. And how long is our trip?
1 hour 20 minutes, 1.5 hours, something like that.
So it's just like Tabanan to Ubud.
That.
But here is long kilometers in 1 hour.
And we just came to Pniewy to have an ice cream and film the fountain. Because not much is to see here actually. But it was nice road trip, isn't it?
Yes, and also we see that it's totally different. It's the same state greater Wielkopolskie, kochanie?
Yeah.
But
Small
different
town.
vibe.
Different vibe.
Nice. So we are in the Pniewy City Park actually, and look at this. A small city is still in Greater Wielkopolskie state. Nice blue sky, sunshine, beautiful. That's the bridge. Nice. So that's actually the church, McDonald's, and that is the housing complex, right, kochanie?
Yeah.
Yes. And I think that mostly house the
very
Pniewy
quiet
city.
here. This is the biggest restaurant here actually,
Yes, this one.
and the only one who is like really famous.
Uh-huh.
On the other side, McDonald's, of course. Actually, luckiest there is McDonald's here. And that's it.
Crossing the river now, and that was a very nice park with the fountain. Where are we, kochanie?
We are in Pniewy. Actually, I just realized Pniewy is only 500 years old city. Iława is 700. I always compare to my hometown. In Szamotuły. So it's younger actually, and definitely younger than many cities in Wielkopolska state. But there is nice river Gdac or something like that. And there is the church, the berries, like this.
Beautiful, and look at the river. Nice. And next to it is beautiful green park and clean. Right, kochanie?
I think that's it for today's video. Going back to Poznań. Winnie will film tomorrow as always. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about our trip today. Would you like to see more trips like this one? Let me know. See ya. Take care.
Kochanie, we stopped in Orland to buy what? Zapiekanka. Zapiekanka is the soft bread with the topping like this. Look like a pizza, no?
Yeah, somebody asked me actually last time what is zapiekanka. Zapiekanka is like a pizza but on the bread, like a baguette bread with mostly mushroom as the bottom, with the cheese and some toppings and usually ketchup. You can put garlic sauce, any kind of sauce, but ketchup is the best. Looks like this one. It's considered as the Polish fast food. Yeah, street food, Polish street food.
Smaczne, kochanie.
Smaczne.
Oh, look at this. That boat in the front. Wow. Nice boat. And we are in the lake on the way to Poznań. Right, kochanie? Oh, careful. What I see here is Poznań has so many lakes, and behind there is so many park. I mean like tennis court for the sports, right, kochanie?
Yeah, a small town called Szamotuły.
Chociaż
Yeah, outside of Pniewy on the way to Poznań.
tak. Nice.
whenever we go, we need to see on the map. Oh, there's lake.
Let's go.
Okay.
It's nice. Very nice. It's the skate park. There is the tennis court. I think that over there is the children playground, and that is the water park, right, Kohani? People cycling. It's nice. So that's tennis court, ice cream shop again, and children playground. So
We're
this
going back to Poznań. I don't know where we are, just outside of the Piła, road number 11, going to Poznań, but nice, actually.
nice church on the right, no?
Nice church and nice old buildings.
Yes. And
This
here
one
is
is
the
also
Ratus.
Ratamiejska Ratusz, yeah. I don't know where is it actually, but small little town.
So
Enjoy.
peaceful,
Enjoyable.
right?
Very nice actually. A little road here, isn't it?
Right.
Going from the hill, from the woods, little bit of lake.
Look at that, the lake on the right, Kanye. Oh, there is a hotel.
And there is some hotel. And then the lake
Oh,
on there.
another lake on the left.